How to fix error code 19,000 in Star Citizen. So that specific error code, which is the 19,000 error code, is actually referring to your network and to your credentials while you log in. So first things first, the troubleshootings that you need to follow is to make sure that you have a stable and a strong internet connection that you're in while you're trying to log in. Next thing to do is make sure that you are not attempting a lot of attempts to enter your password. It keeps on trying again, for it would also be the reason why you are receiving that code. Now, next thing to do, if your internet connection is stable and you do not have any error from the letters of your username or password, is just to simply clear cache and cookies directly from your browser that you're using. Just head to these three dots at the top right portion and then just simply go to history and then just clear it all out. So those are the things that you can try to troubleshoot and do for you to be able to fix error code 19,000 in Star Citizen.